Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm finna be doing sushi roll and some spicy noodles. So today I got the, what's it called? The crunch roll. The crunch roll with crab, spicy mayo, and the, what's it? The eel sauce. And then just the regular spicy noodles, and then I put some green onions all over it. The crunch roll with crab and avocado in it. And then I got my soy sauce and I add lemon in here. And then my soda on the side. So let me pray. So let's get started. So how's everybody doing today on this wonderful Friday? Get in on this noodle. Hold on, time. And I add lemon and stuff on these noodles. Ooh, spicy.
I'm not gonna get on YouTube.
Hold on, I'm trying to help my daughter. She over here on the side. Cause she ain't gonna eat no spicy noodles.
Just gonna eat some brown noodles. I don't know what else called. What? Because it has the thing is like wrong.
Sorry about that. I'm finna pause this real quick. Keep on stopping the videos. I'm back.
Color.
Oh, I almost dropped it.
Sweet pose. That way. Okay, Mommy, okay.
These wasn't that bad, like the 3 times the spice. No, was it 2 times the spice? Now those had my mouth on fire. Oh, it's hard to pick these asses up. Keep on doing the pop with my tongue. So how's everybody's day going? Now most of y'all probably at work
Stop 2 seconds.
or getting off of work.
2 seconds.
Them Them noodles was good. I wish I had some more. I think when you add the lemon to it, it'll cool down the spiciness. One little piece, and I can't get it. Got it. I've been craving these California rolls. I had bought some from Rayleigh's because I was gonna do a video, and they were bad. They was like, the rice was like crunchy hard. When I got home, I was so mad. I gotta wipe my nose. Move off the camera a little bit so I can wipe my nose. That's spicy stuff. Having nose running. I was ready to do my noodles. I mean, my noodles. I was ready to do my video with my sushi rolls, but they was the crab. It had crab in it. And cucumbers. Nothing wasn't fresh. Just all bad. So I like Safeway because they always make theirs fresh right in front of you. And if you don't like the ones that, you know, be already at the bottom made, you can ask them to make you some fresh ones. And yeah, make it right there in front of you. And they got so many different rolls.
It's not it's an egg. Those are rolls.
I don't know what that was.
Like really super fast. Really super.
It's my last of the Mohicans. You know, the last time they're gonna fall apart. That's how you know it's fresh. All fell apart. Alright, I'm done. I ain't gonna fight with that. That was good. So I hope you like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell. Give me a huge thumbs up and comment down below what you think about this video.
Yep.
And if you have any other
I love you guys.
Like something else you want me to do on a video, or with me and my daughter, or me by myself, or her by herself, just comment down below what you like us to do, as separate or together. Not any challenges or anything. So hopefully you like this video and subscribe and share. Bye. Mwah. So I'm back. Hello. Gotta help her with that computer right quick. Not computer, laptop. Dig in on these noodles. Would y'all like a bite? I've been waiting for California rolls all day. And I got these from Safeway. She freshly made them right in front of me, too. I'm gonna show y'all what's avocado, crab. Here y'all can have some.
Scared. Alright guys, here goes the boss. Please get on me.
That tastes so good. With that spicy mayo and that sweet. Sweetness of the crab. Ooh. These noodles are spicy. I don't know how to hold the chopsticks, but I'm trying. You gotta do it the way you're comfortable with.
P.U.
I didn't comb up my hair, but you know, like this is the way I am. This is the way I look. I ain't finna pretty myself up. That's how I look on all my videos. Well, some of my hair be combed, but I knew it was getting cold, so I was like, let me help her do this video.
Restart, bounce, first time, bounce. Papa.
Would you like another California roll? Crunch roll?
Boom, down, boom, down, boom, son. Boom, son. And, noodles. Is it?
Drink time.
Mommy? Is it a long time for Easter? A long, 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 long time.
I think I got about like
It's
3 more weeks.
It's like
I
a
think
long
2
time,
weeks.
just like I had to go to Justice. Like a long time ago. I'm doing
Ooh,
a
this is
lot,
spicy.
guys. Comment down below if you know long time for Easter. Long.
Somebody, you got like 2 or 3 weeks left.
Three.